If you own a carpet cleaning business and you're wondering how you could create a QR code that goes to your website when someone scans it, I'm going to show you how to do that really fast. You're going to need the Google Chrome browser, and then you're going to need to go to your website. So let's pretend for a minute that we are OxyFresh Carpet Cleaning in Bellevue, Washington. This is your website right here. Go up to where you enter your website URL in the search bar in your Google Chrome browser. Click this share button over here. It looks like a little square with an arrow pointing up. Click that button, and you'll see a link that says create QR code. Click the create QR code button, and Google Chrome will create a QR code for you. You can copy and paste that QR code into anything you want. You could screenshot it. You can click download, and it will download a PNG of that QR code to your desktop so that you can use it wherever you want. Now, let's pretend for a minute that you wanted to do this on mobile, or let's pretend for a minute, even better, let's pretend you don't want this little dinosaur creature in your QR code, right? Google Chrome adds this some kind of a dinosaur into the QR code when you create a QR code in Google Chrome on desktop. Let me show you how to get around that. You can actually go to mobile, and I'm going to do this on my phone. What you're going to do is exactly the same. You're going to go to your website in Google Chrome, but on mobile. You're going to see the share button in the upper right-hand corner. And when you click that button, what you're going to do is scroll until you see the create QR code link. And it's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to offer you a QR code that you can screenshot. You can click to share it, download it, copy it, save the image, whatever you want to do. And you'll notice that this QR code does not have a dinosaur on it, right? So if you click create QR code on mobile, no dinosaur. So that's it. That's the easy way to create a QR code for your carpet cleaning business's website, or any kind of cleaning business, really. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you need help, go to BookCleaningJobs.com. Thanks.